Oh, welcome to Study That Forum. Today we're going to be looking at the force, the electric force. We'll be talking about the relationship that exists in electric force. It said that the electric force between 2 point charges, Q and Q1 and Q2 separated by a distance R. This is our distance. Is directly proportional to the product of the charges and inversely proportional to the square of the distance between the charges. That means mathematically we have it to be force is directly proportional to the product of the charge, the first charge dividing the second charge over the square of of their distance, which is r there. And the force can be calculated. That means to calculate the force, what you do is to substitute all the necessary information here, where we have K. K is our constant, and the Q is measured in a coulomb, that is the charge, and R, which is our distance, is measured in meter. So where K is equal to this, and the other letter there, we have it to be what is known as permittivity of free space, which means when you substitute that for this, you can also get your force with this. That means when you do this, you will be able to calculate your force, and the unit of this is coulomb squared per newton per meter square. So we are going to look at some questions regarding to this so that we know how to apply the formula, and we're going to look at some questions. All right. So here we have some questions. The first one says, "I'll find the force of repulsion between 2 points of 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 2 point charge of 1.7 times 10 raised to the power minus 19 coulomb each." So the question said, find the force of repulsion between two protons of 1.7 times 10 raised to the power minus 19 coulomb each, if the distance between them is 6.3 times 10 raised to the power minus 11 meter. So we have our permittivity. The formula, the constant we have there is given to us. So what we're going to do is, since the two protons, they have equal charges, you can say that is equal to 2, which will give us minus 19 coulomb. They are all equal since they are equal. And then our distance is what? Meter. And then we have our, what else are we looking for? We don't know the force. And we know that the force we can get the force by so then we can then say this is the power 9 times r squared all over all squared. So what we have there will be 2 times 10 raised to the power minus 28 over 3.9 times 97 times 10 raised to the power minus 21. So what we have at the end of the game is 6.55 times 10 raised to the power minus 8 Newton. That is for this. So the next one we're going to do now is The second one, we say that find the force of attraction. Find the force of attraction. Find the force of attraction between two equal but opposite charges of 4 times 10 raised to the power minus 6 coulomb if the distance between them is 35 cm. So what we'll do here is also the charges, in this case now, the negative charge and the positive charge, all of them are what? Equal, and we have it to be, all of them are equal, we have them to be this coulomb. And then the next one, the distance cm, which is equal to 0.35 meter. So then using our formula again, we use our formula. Using our formula, we'll have force is equal to then we have times squared all over all squared. The workness will be with a will multiply to, you have a 0.144 all over 0.1225. When you divide through, you have 1.8 Newton. All right, thank you so much for being part of the class, and I want to see your comment. If there's any question you want to ask us, you can also ask us by leaving a comment there. And then if you have not subscribed, make sure you subscribe to our channel so that you can enjoy the fun as it comes. Thank you.